Hi, if you're thinking about building a website and you're considering Hostinger, you've probably come across two options, the Hostinger Horizons and the Hostinger AI Website Builder. But what's the difference between them? Which one is better for your needs? And are they really worth your time and money? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you in detail. So let's dive in. Hostinger Horizons is a newer, more advanced tool that's currently in beta. It represents Hostinger's vision for the future of web creation, a more robust, customizable platform that blends drag-and-drop functionality with developer-level control. It's built on a no-code or low-code philosophy, meaning it's approachable for beginners but powerful enough for professionals. It comes with better layout controls, more flexibility, and advanced integrations. Think of it as Hostinger's answer to Webflow or Framer: sleek, modern, and customizable. On the other hand, Hostinger's AI Website Builder is more of a traditional AI-assisted site builder, similar to Wix-Addy or GoDaddy's AI Builder. It's built for speed and simplicity. You answer a few questions about your business or projects and boom! Within seconds, it auto-generates a fully functional website tailored to your needs. It's all about ease and automation, removing most of the decision-making from the process. If you want to publish something quickly without spending time fine-tuning design choices, this one's your go-to. Now, although both tools are developed by Hostinger, they serve very different audiences. One is built for control and customization, the other is built for simplicity and speed. Understanding that difference is the key. Now let us talk about the main features of Hostinger Horizons and the website builder. First, Hostinger Horizons. It has a drag-and-drop editor with advanced grid-based layout control. It has reusable components which are great for larger websites that need consistency. You have access to HTML or CSS customization. Custom animations and motion effects are also present. Built-in CMS features like blogs, product listings, and even custom collections. Integrated e-commerce with real-time editing. SEO tools, analytics, and mobile responsiveness by default are also present. And great integration options are present, from Stripe to Google Fonts to third-party embeds. Hostinger Horizons is definitely designed to grow with your website applications. Now let us talk about the AI Website Builder. AI-assisted site creation, which means you just answer a few prompts and you get a complete website. Pre-made sections and design blocks. A focus on quick launches, which means most users can publish in under 30 minutes. Limited customization, you can change text, images, layouts, styles, but you're mostly working with AI-generated templates. Built-in SEO and analytics tools, and simple e-commerce supports, which is ideal for small catalogs or service-based businesses. The AI Builder is all about fast, effortless site creation, which is perfect for beginners or one-page sites. And the Hostinger Horizons is a perfect AI app builder that lets you build web apps without any coding experience. And it creates anything you want, it understands speech and images, and you can even adjust your app on the fly. Now let us talk about pricing. The AI Website Builder has 3 plans currently offered at a massive discounted price. There's the Premium plan, which is offered at $2.99 per month, the Business plan, which is recommended at $3.99 per month, and the Cloud Startup plan at $7.99 per month. Now, a long-term commitment is expected to get these prices, and after 4 years, the price renews at a higher amount, but you can cancel at any time. Hostinger Horizons, on the other hand, has plans that start at $9.99 per month. For this price, you get everything you need to create, and you refine your web app with prompts and deploy it in one click. Web hosting is also included, so you can start your project online. And you can easily connect your custom domain directly from the Horizons interface. Plus, you get access to other useful tools like professional email to help scale your business. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using Hostinger Horizons and the Web Builder. For Horizons, here are the pros. Professional design freedom, great for long-term growth. CMS plus e-commerce built-in and component-based design. The AI Builder is super fast, no learning curve required, and is perfect for freelancers, small business owners, and solopreneurs. How about the cons? For Horizons, it is still in beta, which means you can experience occasional bugs or missing features, and there's a slight learning curve for total beginners. How about the cons of the AI Builder? Limited customization. It is not ideal for growing up complex websites, and the sites can sometimes feel generic without manual editing. So which one should you choose? Well, it comes down to what you want to do. Hostinga Horizons is an AI app builder that lets you build web apps without any coding experience. And the AI website builder is a fantastic choice for building your website with the help of artificial intelligence. That said, both tools are included on the Hostinga website, so your needs will determine what to use. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, Framer, and Webflow. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.